Today I'm going to use my leftover peri sauce to make mushroom curry. To learn how to make this sauce, please watch my video, link is in description. I start by heating some oil. I add a cup of sliced red onion. I'll cook these onions on high heat for about 2 to 3 minutes till they turn slightly brown. And this is what they look like now after about 3 minutes. Now I'm going to add my mushroom. I have a pound of mushrooms. These mushrooms were small, so I cut them in half. If the mushrooms you have are bigger, you can cut them into 4 pieces, or you can just make thick slices, it doesn't matter. Now I'll saute this on high for a few minutes till mushrooms cook down and they turn slightly brown. And now I'm adding my peri sauce. 1 cup of peri sauce is enough, and cook it till the sauce is thick. And this is what it looks like after 4 minutes of cooking on high. Always cook mushroom on high heat, otherwise they release too much water. And here I'm toasting some walnuts, which I will add to mushroom right before serving.